Welcome to week number 4. Now, this entire week is dedicated towards different methods of monetization. So we're going to go over each and every single method in pure detail on exactly how to monetize your site and how to actually implement some softwares and whatever that I'm going to be showing you. So this entire week is dedicated towards that. Now, the next week, week number 5, that's where the juicy part is, and that's where we release the email swipes. We release the scripts and all that crazy shebang so you can actually start making money from it. But this entire week, you have to decide which method you want to monetize your site in. And this is pretty important, and that's why this course was structured out this way, is so you can see which method you want to monetize, and based on your method, you'll be using different emails and different scripts in the next week. So let's just jump right into it. I'm just going to go over a quick overview with what we're going to be covering in this week. The first method, we're going to go over call tracking. Now, very quickly what call tracking is, we're going to go over in more detail in the next videos. But basically, you track whoever calls through your number. And what we can do in that case is get a call tracking number, pop it on our site, and we can sell the calls, what we like to call PPC, pay per call. And we're going to go over in detail in the next couple videos, but that is one of the major ways. The second way, again, is through rank and rent, which is the entire purpose of this course. And what the rank and rent thing is basically overlaying another person's site on top of yours. Now, there's two softwares that are used for this, SEM Easy or Source CCS. I'm going to use SEM Easy because that's what I've used all along, but Source CCS does the same thing. Now, with these softwares, we can overlay the other person's site or the client's site on top of ours, which is one of the major reasons why our site looks so ugly, because no one will be seeing this exact site. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to go over this in more detail in the next couple videos. Now, there's also one more method of monetization, and that is through something called cost per action, which we want to go to OfferVault. And what cost per action is for example, you're doing something for water restoration, for example. You're doing a job for water restoration and repair. Now you filter this out with actual you filter this out with the city and the city that you're doing in, and they'll pay you $14 per call. So for example, if I was doing water restoration, I got, I don't know, a couple calls a week. That's going to add up to a couple $100 a month per page, which is very juicy. We're going to go over all this in detail, so let's just jump right into it.